Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A graphic that looks like it would be really difficult to draw is extremely easy. And there's a lot you can do with this. With my ratio locked here, well, in a second, I'm going to go back. I'm going to lock my ratio and I'm going to make this a 12-inch circle. Now I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and make a 6-inch circle. Then I'm going to make another 12-inch circle. And I'm going to unlock my ratio. And I'm going to make this part just 6 inches. And then I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. But before I do that, we can move this out of the way. Well, yep. And move this back to the center of the page. Control D and duplicate it just like 5 degrees. And then Control D all the way around, just making sure you don't go too far. That within itself is pretty cool. Now, somebody asked me the other day the difference between group and combine. So I'm going to answer. Besides drawing this, I'm going to group this one together. Then I'm going to combine this one. Now, if we take this shape and go to the interactive fill tool and swipe, we get something totally weird. And look, and I'm trying to do center, you just can't do it. I mean, you could start changing colors, but it's just never going to look right because this was grouped together. That's pretty cool within itself. Now this one is combined. It's just one curve. Let me back up here. This is a group of 36 objects. This is just one because we combined it. Now we're going to go to interactive fill tool and we're going to go to elliptical, put it in the center, and then start changing the colors. Now, it doesn't change it because it's so far. If I would have started out with a smaller circle, it would be better. But you could change the colors. And also, we're going to take away the outline here in a second. But we're going to add some yellow. Now, if we take it all and right-click no outline, you get that effect. I don't think this is as pretty as I was planning on it. Make a black box, go up to object order, back a page. Now, the good thing about this, now that you have the black, you could still select your item, go back to your interactive fill tool, and now you can see more. So we could move that blue down there, maybe move the yellow. That looks pretty good. But anything you put in here won't really show because it's not part of the selection. So the yellow's not even showing up. Now you can move this over here, but then you get, that's pretty cool within itself. You could change the shape, change it like that, and it's still going for the center. So that itself is pretty cool. But there's a lot. I can just think of different things you could use this for. And in the next several days, I'm gonna use them. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.